In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ConnectBot app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. The Google Play Store is where you can download apps, games, and much more. Once you tap on the Play Store icon, you will see a colorful interface filled with various app categories and recommendations. This step is essential because the Play Store is the official source for apps, ensuring you download a secure and reliable version of ConnectBot. Now, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type in ConnectBot. The search bar is usually easy to spot. It is typically marked with a magnifying glass icon. As you type, suggestions will appear below the search bar. This feature helps you find the app quickly. It's crucial to enter the correct name to avoid downloading an unrelated app. Once you finish typing, hit the search button to proceed. After hitting search, you'll see a list of results. Look for ConnectBot by Kenny Root. It should be one of the first results that appear. The developer's name is important because it confirms that you are selecting the right app. This ensures that you are downloading a legitimate version of ConnectBot. Take a moment to double-check the icon to make sure it matches as well. When you find it, go ahead and tap on it to see more details. Next, you will see the app's description, screenshots, and user reviews. This information can give you a better understanding of the app's functionality. Now look for the Install button on the right side of the screen and tap it. This action begins the download and installation process. It is a straightforward step, but it is vital because you need to have the app installed before you can use it. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. While you wait for the installation to finish, you can take a moment to explore the app's details or reviews. This can help you feel more comfortable with what you're about to use. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear. Tap this button to launch the app. This confirmation shows that the app is ready for use and you are one step closer to establishing your connections. Upon launching ConnectBot for the first time, you may be prompted to grant certain permissions. This is a common requirement for many apps. Permissions allow ConnectBot to function properly, accessing necessary features on your device. Be sure to read the prompts carefully, as they will inform you about what data the app needs to access. Granting these permissions is important because it ensures the app can operate as intended. Now that you have the app open and permissions granted, you can start creating an SSH connection. To do this, you will need to enter your server details, such as the hostname or IP address, and your login credentials. This step is crucial as it enables you to connect to the remote server securely. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. Once you enter the details, you will be ready to establish your connection. Following these steps ensures that you have successfully downloaded and set up ConnectBot on your Android device. You are now equipped to manage your remote connections efficiently and securely. Thank you for watching and enjoy using ConnectBot.